Hello and welcome to Tech Tool India. Today we are gonna see how we can install Laravel Authentication Scaffolding in Laravel 8. So let's get started. Firstly, we'll install the Laravel on the system. So we can use Composer for that. Composer create project Laravel. Uh, this is an example project. We can create it for Laravel authentication UI scaffolding in Laravel 8. It is not added by default, so we need to use a package called Laravel UI for that. So as the Laravel is installed, let's go into the folder, and now we are adding a Laravel UI. For that we just need to add UI package by using Composer. So we can simply add Composer require Laravel UI, and it will add the Laravel UI. Now as the UI is added, we just need to run the following command like php artisan command UI, and the kind of UI, whether we need only bootstrap or view. Based on that, I'm going to add the Vue.js scaffolding provided by UI package. So php artisan UI Vue Auth. You can add bootstrap, React, whatever you want. So just by simply adding it has, as you see, Vue scaffolding installed successfully. Now we have to run these command in terms of generating the JavaScript and CSS files. So let's run the npm install command. It will add the npm dependencies packages, and it will add the CSS and JavaScript into the system, and then we can mix it by using npm run dev command. Yes, it's compiled successfully. Let's open it. .test. Alright, Laravel 8 is installed. As you can see, we have this login, register. All the Laravel authentication is included in this. So you can register, login, forget password, all those things are included into the system. In this way, we can generate Laravel authentication in any Laravel 8 project. Hope you like the video. If you have any questions regarding Laravel, you can post into the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.